Hola amigos, if you've ever been to Mexico, you've probably seen these colorful drinks everywhere. These are agua frescas. They're made with fresh fruits, flowers, nuts, seeds, or grains and blended with water to create light, refreshing drinks. In Mexico, they're enjoyed every day with meals, as a snack, or just to cool off on a hot day. We have traditional flavors like watermelon, hibiscus, cucumber, horchata, and also there's lots of modern creative flavors like mazapan, Oreo, bubblegum, and countless other flavors. But you don't have to travel to Mexico to enjoy aguas frescas. They're easy to make at home no matter where you live. Once you learn the basic method, you can make agua fresca with whatever seasonal fruits are available to you. I have already published my recipes for agua de jamaica, watermelon, pineapple, cucumber with lime, papaya with orange, dragon fruit, prickly pear or tuna, blackberry, white cucumber, and guava with beet. But I'll have lots more traditional and modern flavors for you in the months to come. Look in the description to get the video recipe links, and if you want the free printable versions, you will also find those links there. Whenever I go to the centro or city center, I love to grab an agua fresca with a savory snack, and I love trying new flavors. Let me know in the comments what your favorite flavor is and what other recipes you'd like for me to share. Have a beautiful day.